Bear has the hiccups, and it's pretty funny.
I think they're gone.
Oh no! But I turned. No, they're not gone. Cook that line on a little more. Yeah, there we go. Much better.
Maintain. I'm gonna throw up. It won't go away.
He like never has the hiccups. I don't know.
Because they're fucking violent.
I always have the hiccups.
Jesus Christ. You sound like the Goofy movie. Dude, mine hurt though.
Mine do too.
No, mine are like vomiting hurt. Like, ugh. Your vaporizer's making a weird noise.
Vaporizer.
Shut up.
I was trying to pluck my eyebrows, but it would be all silent until I raised the tweezers to my brows, and, and then that would happen.
Just want it to go away.
Let's be really quiet. Or let's not. You can see my vaporizer. And my home phone.
Oh my god.
What the fuck was that?
Oh. I'm getting enjoyment out of this. This is really painful. Son of a bitch.
Let's show the world my room.
Damn it.
There's my Hannah Montana poster. And there's my really messy dresser. And there's Kenna's Pack and Play.
There we go.
Oh, gosh.
Like, those are probably kind of stinky. Those are fresh off of work.
Take a bite.
Gosh.
There's my Hello Kitty pillow. And there's my laundry basket that's full of clean clothes. And there's my TV. And my Hello Kitty poster. And my Hello Kitty dry erase board.
Looks like.
And there's Bear still hiccuping. My green and pink walls.
Maybe I don't want people to know what your bedroom looks like.
My tubs.
Oh god.
There's my tubs. Do you see them? Do you see my tubs? Hiccup again, Bear.
Wow.
Just one big one for the last hurrah.
This is gonna hurt. Oh.
Say bye.
Bye.
I hope somebody leaves a comment wishing you good luck on getting rid of your hiccups.
Yeah, send me like some suggestions on how to get rid of them. God damn it.
Yeah, leave suggestions on how to get rid of hiccups, because I swear to God I have hiccups like 5 times a day.
And I have violent ones that I can't get rid of for like 2 hours.
And then we laugh.
Oh, god damn it.
And then we laugh and it just makes it worse. Tom, are you smoking yet?
What?
Oh yeah, we bought a new ashtray the other day. Pretty cool.
Damn it, I can't even smoke. You should see that one. Maybe I'll make a video of that.
Are you smoking with the hiccups?
It's bad. It's not easy.
Smoking hiccups.
Son of a bitch!
Hey, my name is Earl's on, but we can't hear it over Goofy over there. Oh, not nice.
Oh. Oh, I felt like something popped in my neck.
Called me Goofy. Fire me saying she was fucking Goofy. Okay, I'm really gonna stop this video in like 20 seconds.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw up probably, so you might want to. Oh, Jesus.
15 seconds. Don't hide your pretty face.
It hurts.
Your face?
Oh, God.